Dustin from Stranger Things. Dusty Buns. So I am taking Moonbeam for a service. We need to get a part replaced before we go back to Tampa in a week or hopefully a week. I think I caught you on camera. Did I get you in a mood? You wanted to be on film? Tell everybody good night. Say you got your little baby. You're ready to go sleep. Alright. Later. Sleepy time. Sleep. Peace out. There she is, wedged between two other vehicles. To say I'm a little nervous backing her out would be an accurate statement as I try to get to my baby. Today I am out at the bus just doing a very, very simple task. It's not that big of a deal, but I wanted to show you guys the partitions are gone. They were right here, and one behind the driver's side chair right there. They are gone. Yay! So tremendous thank you to Chris, who happens to be, we've been friends with their family for a very, very long time. I used to work with his mom's husband, and so, you know, it was a tremendous help to get those partitions out. So super, super, super happy about that. A girl and her impact driver going to work. Final piece. The final. Oh, hello everyone. Oh yeah, woe is me. It's hotter than Hades in this bus right now. What you'll see behind me is not much. Not much. I took off the bumper pads. Very simple. I just used my handy dandy Makita impact driver. It does the job pretty darn well. And so I took those off. Those bolts actually weren't severely rusted, so if you don't have an impact driver and you just have a drill, they'll probably come off with a drill. So for those of you that are going to be removing them on your bus, however, this cover here for the heater hose, and that goes over the wheel well, those aren't coming off with the impact driver. So I have no choice but to use both a pry bar and an angle grinder. So I'm gonna have to get used to that. As you can see, there's not much been done in the bus just yet. I plan on, hopefully, time allowing, I plan on painting Moonbeam before I head to Tampa. And then once I'm in Tampa, from there I'll have a space that I can work on the bus for a little bit. I'm gonna need to get going, my loves, but I will see you again soon with hopefully a heater removal video, or a whiskey barrel tub video because I'm going to finish that up before I head to Tampa as well. So fingers crossed. We'll see you soon. Don't forget to subscribe to Moonbeam Skoolie. And don't forget to share it with all your friends. And to my friends, I hope to see you on my journey and my travels. Until later. Bye. Ta-ta for now.